Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready for some fun and learning today? Today we have a special quiz video just for you. Let's see how much you remember. And don't worry if you can't answer a question, that's okay. Just watch our learning videos and come back to try again. All these videos will help you with today's quiz.
Alphabet A is for option A bowl, option B cake, option C apple. So the correct answer is option C apple.
What color is an apple? Option 1, green. Option 2, red. Option 3, blue. So the correct answer is option 2, red. Apple is red in color.
How many apples are there? Option 1, 1. Option 2, 2. So the correct answer is option 2.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Which number is this? Option A, 20. Option B, 12. So the correct answer is option B, 12.
So the correct answer is option B12.
What letter does car start with? Option 1A, option 2C. So the correct answer is option 2C, alphabet.
What color is the car? Option 1, orange. Option 2, yellow. So the correct answer is option 1, orange color.
How many fingers are there? Option A, 3. Option B, 5. Option C, 10. So the correct answer is option B, 5. What is the fifth letter of the alphabet? Option 1, B. Option 2, E. Option 3, F. So the correct answer is option 2, alphabet E.
What comes after 5? Option A, 6. Option B, 7. Option C, 8. So the correct answer is option A, 6. Say 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
Which one is green color? Option 1, option 2, and option 3. So the correct answer is option 2.
How many bananas do you see? Option A, 5. Option B, 9. Option C, 12. Correct answer is option A, 5. There are 5 bananas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Read the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Read the number.
What number comes before 9? Option A, 8. Option B, 7. Option C, 10. So the correct answer is option A, 8. Which letter comes after X?
Option A, Z. Option B, W. Option C, Y. So the correct answer is option C, alphabet Y.
What color is grass? Option A, green. Option B, yellow. So the correct answer is option A, green. So the grass is green in color.
What is this? What is this? Option A, cat and mouse. Option B, bat and ball.
So the correct answer is option B, bat and ball.